welcome back. I hope you're having fun watching my Debtember series. In today's video, I'll be doing a one branded makeup tutorial again. I have done similar videos in the past. I have done Maybelline, we've done Sugar, and in today's video, as the title suggests, I'll be doing PAC Cosmetics. They are one of my favorite Indian brands, Indian makeup brands. If you guys have watched my vlog, then you know that I went to their store recently and I picked up a couple of things, and today I'll be using all of that on my face and it will create a nice fun look using the product. First thing that I'm going to do is exfoliate my skin. I got their deep exfoliating peel off. As you can also see that acne has subsided quite a bit. That's what it is, you know. You have to be very gentle with your skin. You have to be very patient, and these are basically hormonal acne for me, so I don't really change up my skincare routine too much. And I'm sorry if you can hear rustling noises. There's Shadow right next to me and she is playing with packaging. So this is, I think, a cellulose based exfoliator. I can feel all my dead skin cells getting exfoliated. I feel it in my hand. It's actually really nice. Reminds me of the Face Shop peeling jelly. It's literally the same texture, and I'm glad I kind of did this before I am doing my makeup, so it'll make sure that the foundation sits on my skin really well. My skin feels so clean. Next, I'm going to moisturize my skin. This is the Aqua Blast water-based moisturizer, and I'm going to take a little bit all over my face. That feels really lightweight. That exfoliator made my skin so smooth. On my lips, I'm going to use this Laneige lip balm. Sorry, going a little off-brand, but I need to moisturize my lips. Next, I'm going to take this Zero Pore Separation Cream, and that basically separates your moisturizer and your skincare from the makeup. And I'm going to apply this wherever I have a lot of visible pores. I've heard so much about this product, but I haven't really tried it myself. Ooh, that has a very smooth texture. This makes my skin look so flawless. Also, it's silicone based, so obviously it's going to mattify the skin. Now I'm going to take this Take Cover Concealer to color correct. This is in the shade Rusty Orange, and I'm going to apply this right here underneath the eye. I really like that it comes with a wand. I expected this to be like a brush tube, but you know, those LA girl type, but this is actually so much better. And now I'm going to take my sponge. This is the YBP sponge, and I'm just going to blend that. So you can use an orange corrector if you have a lot of darkness underneath your eyes, and you can also use it anywhere you have darkness. A lot of people have it around their mouths. A lot of people also have it on the jawline. So any form of darkness, if you have dark spots, then you can use an orange corrector. It really helps in cutting out that shallowness and brightening up that area. Next, we're going to use foundation. So the reason that I actually went to the store was to get the foundation. I really wanted to match the foundation shade perfectly, and that only happens if you are seeing it in person. And even like lipstick shades and everything, I like to shop in person, so which is why I actually went just to get a foundation, and then I ended up getting so many things. So I'm just going to take the foundation onto the back of my hand. This is a new bottle, so it's taking a while. There we go. Just taking like 2.5 pumps, and what I'm going to do is take it onto a flat brush first, like so. I love how the back foundation feels and blends. It's one of the best foundations I've tried, and my bottle was actually completely over, so I had to get a new one. I wear the shade number 13, something bamboo. I think it's wild bamboo, and it's literally the color of my skin. Look at that finish. I am so impressed. Like, I love the PAC foundation. Look at the way it has like covered up my acne as well. And it looks and feels so light, and it blended so well. This actually feels like a high-end luxurious foundation on my skin. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the finish of the Too Faced foundation, which is one of my favorite foundations at the moment. I'm also very impressed with the pore separation cream. I feel like that has made my foundation go on really smoothly. Let's use some concealer underneath my eyes. This is in the shade 09 Melon. I haven't tried their concealers before. Taking a very small amount just here, and then I'm going to blend that using my sponge. The concealer I got was a little bit yellow, so that really helps in brightening up the under eye. You know, you don't really need a lot of concealer, just a little bit goes a long way, and then, you know, you can always go back and add more. But if you just like to begin with apply a lot of concealer, it is going to cake up your under eye. I love this concealer. Look at that finish. It looks so natural. I really like this. This actually reminds me of the Makeup Forever HD powder. It looks just like it. It feels just like it. I'm going to take a little bit onto my sponge and then dab the excess onto the back of my hand, and then go ahead and use that to set underneath my eyes. Again, not using too much product. And that's the way to not cake up your base. Let's move on to contouring. I got this Sculpt and Shine contour and highlight palette. This highlighter looks intense, but I'm going to use their baked highlighter, which is one of my favorites. So I'm going to use, I think, this medium shade right here to begin with, and maybe a little bit of this just on the insides. These are supremely pigmented. I touched a little bit of it in the store and I was blown away, so I'm gonna have to be very careful. I'm starting very slow and lightly, and then we're going to eventually build it up. Such a nice contour shade, so natural looking. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use their Hush Blush palette. I'm going to take the blush onto the back of my sponge. Also, you have to be very careful again with PAC products. They are so pigmented. So I'm just removing the excess on the back of my hand, and then I can always go back and add more. But let's start soft. Ooh, this is such a nice color. Next, I'm going to use the baked highlighter. This is in the number BK06. So let's take a little bit onto the sponge. That's not a little bit. I'm going to dab off the excess and then use that on the high points of my cheek. Look at that glow, and this is after I dabbed off the excess. I look like I'm drenched in highlighter, and I love that. Look at that. I love this highlighter so much. It's one of my favorite products from PAC. Time for a coffee break. Are you guys a coffee or a tea person? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm actually going to use their makeup fixer right about now before I do my eyes. Let's do our eyebrows now. I'm going to use their Super Brow Cream in the shade Cuban Espresso. Taking an angled brush and dipping it into the product. Pretty sure I've taken too much. That is pigmented. Oh gosh, I didn't even need to dip so much. I can use this entirely for my brows. So I'm going to start from the outside and mimic the hair that I have already, and I'm going darker on the outside and slowly going lighter on the inside. I didn't even have to dip back the brush. I have like so much product in it already. This is so pigmented and it is so creamy. It is so nice. I really like it. Also, it's time for me to do my brows. I need to do my brows. I haven't done them in so long. During the lockdown, I've just been tweezing my brows, to be honest. Then I'm going to take the transparent mascara and use that to set my brows. I'm telling you, PAC has the best products. Like, I really admire their products. I'm going to use this Vibe shadow palette in matte. I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to apply the shade all over my lid. Then I'm taking this matte purple shade and applying it onto my lower lash line and slightly winging it outwards. I'm going to use this 02 Sweet Sparkle eyeshadow, probably this eye shade, this right here, and apply it all over my lids. Oh my god, this shade blended so well with that transition shade. Just go ahead and blend it a little bit more. Just highlighting the inner corner. These tweezers are also from PAC. I really like their tools. Just gonna use that to remove the PAC 53 lash. This is one of my favorite natural lashes. I'm also using their lash fixer. This is their eyelash glue, and I'm using that onto the band, just applying a very thin layer, and I'm placing it right on top of where my natural lash line is. I love how natural these lashes look. They literally look like my lashes but better, and it has like a very thin band, so it looks like you're not even wearing any false lashes. I'm actually going to use mascara on my lower lash line. This is a Maybelline mascara. Sorry, I'm going off brand. My mascara from PAC has dried off and I didn't get a new one the other day, but it's okay. I anyway like my Maybelline mascara a lot. And I'm just going to use a little bit to blend my natural and the PAC lashes. Last but not the least, let's use lipstick. This is their Sweet Sensation Lip Cream in the shade 17 Go Getter. I love mattes that are very soft on the lips and are creamy. Just adding a little bit more highlighter. I'm using this PAC 278 brush. It's the perfect size. Look at that. This is my favorite highlighting brush from now onwards. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look and got to know a lot more about the products that PAC have, and I am so happy with the way this look turned out. This purple is everything, and I love their lashes. If you guys are enjoying the Debtember series, then please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any videos. I have lots and lots of exciting things coming up. I'm doing videos every single day till the 26th of September when I'm turning 30, and also announcing something very special. So stay tuned for that. And that's all for today's video. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!